Okay, today's video is going to be a little bit of a lesson because today I want to show you that you should never, 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 ever trade directly before the market open. Because of today, actually, I lost 2 hour instead of 1 hour, okay? But then I made all the money back. So I want to show you right now what I did and what you can learn from this. Okay, so basically, the lesson that I'm trying to teach you right now is not to trade before the market opens because it's gonna be usually a lot of volatility, and with volatility comes also manipulation. Okay, especially at the market open. So, first, I'm gonna show you what I did today, what I did wrong, and then what was the correct approach. Okay, so basically, this is a UK 100. Okay, it's Nasdaq, but from United Kingdom, and I like to trade it at 9 o'clock because it's just better with my own time zone. Okay, because I'm from Europe, and 9 o'clock in London is, I mean, we are 1 hour ahead of London, so I like it. Okay, I just like it to trade that way instead of waiting the whole day for Nasdaq. So basically what I realized is that daily bias is bearish, weekly bias is bearish, everything is screaming at me bearish, bearish, bearish. So I entered over somewhere over here, like literally I entered like this. Okay, I've put my stop loss above this particular 1 minute swing high. Okay, notice that here the market still hasn't opened. Okay. And I was basically targeting this particular 15 minutes swing low over here, as well as over here previous day's low. Okay, and then this is where the mistake happened. Now you know a little bit of a backstory, but the mistake happened that the price immediately reversed at the London session start. Okay, why? Because whenever the stock market opens, we always manipulate. Okay, there is in 99% of the cases a manipulation, and this is exactly what happened. Even though I had a comfortable stop loss over here above this particular swing high, the price still exploded and stopped me out at, instead of $50, it stopped me at 80. So basically almost 2 hour. Okay, and yeah, basically because of my impatience and because of my gambling, okay, and trying to predict where the market will go even after the London session start. Okay, because of that I lost a lot of money. Okay, so the lesson I'm trying to teach you right now, even though the video is a little bit chaotic, but the lesson I'm trying to teach you is simply do not trade at the session start. Okay, do not trade at market open. Even if you are trading London session, do not start trading at the beginning of Tokyo session. Sorry, even if you are trading London, do not start trading before the London session market open. Okay, and if you are trading New York session, do not start trading before the New York market open. Okay, it's that simple. So basically what I did then was I got stopped out. I noticed that we were sweeping this particular 15 minutes swing high. Okay, and then once we started closing lower and lower and lower, I entered somewhere here, I believe. I put a massive stop loss, okay, like this more or less, and I targeted this particular 1 minute swing low over here. Okay, and with that I got around 15 euros more or less then in profit. Okay, so I was down 80 and then I earned 95, and then the end result for today was 15 euros and in profit. And today I decided that I'm just gonna practice the Nasdaq when the New York session starts, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, that's the lesson that I am trying to teach you. Okay, whenever we start trading, okay, whenever the trading session starts, do not put any trades before that. Okay, and trying to predict where the price will go, because you will just lose money. Okay, you will just lose money. So basically what could I have done better today with this trade was just being patient. Okay, and then I would measure over here. Like I would measure equilibrium. Okay, of course we went above 0.5 on equilibrium, and then over here, what could have I done is over here we have a little break of structure. You see over here, and then over here with this huge ass candle that goes lower, I could enter, okay, and then put my stop loss more or less somewhere here. Why would I be confident with this candle? Because we went over here, you see, like we created a bearish fair value gap, then we also like this, and you can see that the candles never closed above the middle point, okay, of that consequent encroachment, or how is it called, I'm not sure, okay. I mean, I don't remember exactly. We never closed above the upper half, okay, above in the upper section of that bearish fair value gap, okay. That's why you have a lot of confidence over here that this is indeed like a valid bearish fair value gap, okay. So you could enter easily over here, and boom, you could smash 0.75 or 1 risk reward ratio at previous day's low, okay. So yeah, that's basically the lesson that I'm trying to teach you, that I tried to teach you with this video. Never trade just before the market opens, okay. Never do that, never, because chances are quite high, you know, that you will get manipulated, you will lose money, and then you will start revenge trading, just like I did today. Actually, this was a revenge trade, okay, and that's about it. All right. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but just pure education, okay. That's my mission, to show you that trading is very logical. At this point, I also want to invite you to join my Discord server, okay? It's in the first link in the description. We have a lot of trading content, a lot of self-improvement content. You see here trading, self-improvement, basically everything that you need to become better trader and stronger man, okay? That's my mission. This is what me and the boys are doing. We are on a movement, you know, to become like actual legit trading community, because there are a lot of scams out there. A lot of people just make money with mentorships instead of with trading itself, okay. So yeah, I want to change that, okay. So join and support me, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Do the hard work, and see you on top of the world.